Today's meal review, we have the Peak Refuel Beef Pasta Marinara. Oh boy. Back again with another meal review. This is Andrew Bocher with GY6 Outdoors. Sun's setting, beautiful canyon behind me. Definitely cold right now, about roughly 16 degrees, and we're about to have some dinner. Been told by a lot of people that Peak Refuel is fantastic. Peak Refuel uses high quality ingredients for their food from what I'm seeing on their website. Obviously, I'm looking through the ingredients right here on the back. Now, a lot of the stuff on most instant meals and most outdoor meals, I'm not a huge fan of because there's all sorts of weird things in there that I'm not exactly certain I want to be putting in my body, and I don't want to be too harsh because I'm sure it's probably a process to get a freeze-dried meal done right and have it to last for so many years that most of them do. This one is saying it's best by 09 of 2023, so it's good for another 4 years. The ingredients on this, you can freeze frame this if you want to look through it all yourself. And the nutrition facts right here, there's obviously the half package side of the nutrition facts that are on the left, and then the full package nutrition value on the right. With a half a package, you're getting 490 calories. With a full meal itself, you're getting 990 calories. On the front in big bold print, it shows you're getting 49 grams of protein. 49. It's insane. When you're out backpacking and hiking and hunting and running around in the woods, you're burning off a lot of calories, and meals taste so much better when you're tasting them in those environments. And right now I haven't eaten damn near all day, so that should give me that similar feel to it. I'm out in the middle of nowhere right now on this canyon. It's definitely getting cold. The river's freezing up. Yeah, this is too much fun. I love my job. Quick shout out to our fan support. GY6 Outdoors is fan supported. We couldn't do it without you guys. The $1 a month, $2 a month, $5 a month pledges I'm getting from my fans are helping a ton. It keeps this crazy train running down the track. So I want to say thank you to you guys who have already jumped on board. If you want to, if you like the content you're seeing so far on GY6 Outdoors, click the link in the description of this video. It'll take you to the fan funding website. You get to vote on up and coming videos and what you want to see more of and what you liked and things that you have ideas of, and more of a direct contact to me that I check very often. So thank you so much for the fan support. But you guys wanted another meal review. I wanted to try something that I'm almost certain I'm going to enjoy. We'll see. But if it tastes like crap, you will know. Beef crumbles with pasta noodles and marinara sauce. The pictures on these things always look delicious, but when you're done making it, it's a little bit different. So we'll see how this goes. See if it's plate worthy. If it's plate worthy, then I think I have a plate. We'll put it on a plate, and we're going to start that. Plate-worthy meals. So if it's good enough to be served at a dinner table and you wouldn't bat an eye, it's plate-worthy. And if it looks like that, it's plate-worthy. So we will see. So you're looking at 59, 50, and 49 for your fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. The three main pillars of your energy. That's great. The ingredients, let's see if I can pronounce some of these. Marinara sauce with cooked seasoned beef crumbles, marinara sauce, tomato juice, citric acid. So far, so good. Tomatoes, a lot of tomatoes. Garlic, onion, more garlic. They have garlic on here twice. Lots of garlic. So garlic, onion, garlic, olive oil, sugar, modified food starch, salt, basil, yeast extract, Parmesan cheese, pasteurized part skim milk, cheese cultures, salt, and enzymes. Damn. Black pepper, xanthan gum, I can never pronounce that right. Dried oregano, dried thyme, cream, just cream, part skim mozzarella cheese. Oh my gosh. Parmesan cheese, milk, cheese cultures, cooked seasoned beef crumbles. Nice. Beef salt, natural flavor. On their website, they talked about the quality of meat they use too. They don't use like this downgraded version of meats. They use good quality meats, and I like the sound of that because you get out what you put in, and if you eat like crap in the outdoors, you're going to perform like crap in the outdoors. Instant rotini pasta, niacin, ferrous sulfate, iron, which is good. Definitely good for your body. You need that when you're burning through a lot of calories. Thiamine monotrate, riboflavin, and folic acid. It contains milk and wheat. It's good to see. So I might have found one of my new favorite companies because they're putting in quality. We will see, but if the taste is crap, that's a little bit rough. That is stunning. Wow. The sun hasn't been out all day. It's been cloudy and gloomy. If you haven't been in the outdoors, if you don't spend enough time in the outdoors, That right there, God's canvas, God's country, that is a blessing in so many ways I can't state it enough. Wow. This is probably going to be one of my favorite videos just because of that. It was kind of a little, then it just, you guys probably saw it before I did. Wow. It's little things like that that make doing things in the outdoors very, very special. Let's get that out of there. MSR wind burner, I've talked about it numerous times in the past. It's a phenomenal stove. If you want to see the full review of this, many of you already have. I've done this as one of my first videos ever on GY6 Outdoors. Check out the MSR wind burner. Links in the description, or just type it in, MSR wind burner full review. And I talk a little bit more detail about this thing. I've had it for many, many years. Did I forget matches? Ugh. Oh, come on. Oh no. I still have it. No, no. Oh no. Oh, bitch. I didn't forget it. There's no way I forgot fire. No way I forgot fire. Flint. Do I have flint? Do I have fire starter? Do I have anything of value of fire? There's no way I forgot fire. Oh no. Oh no. I will use that if I have to. Oh my God. What did you have to do when you forgot to bring matches for today's spontaneous video? Oh yeah, bring fire. The thing I usually never leave home without. But I also don't leave home without road flares. So, this is the first. It's definitely a first. Definitely a first. I just lit my stove on a road flare. Shoota! Shoota! Everyone thinks of Jurassic Park when they have a flare. You can put that over there. Okay, so we'll get that here in a second. That was definitely a first. It's saying 1 1/3 cup of water. So 1 cup is 8 ounces. This bottle has 16.9 ounces in it, a little over 2 cups. So we'll take it down to about right there. It's always good to put your water in first before you put it on the fire so it doesn't warp the mug. Let's see here, it's about half and a little bit more. You can always add more water later. You don't want to overdo your water, because if you do that, making a runny meal is absolute crap. Nobody likes a runny meal. So that's nice and stable. That's cooking. Let's get that going and it'll be done very fast. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, always remove your oxygen absorber. This looks tasty. It's got all sorts of spices in here. Oh yeah. Water's already coming to a boil. And we're boiling. That looks delicious. You have these large chunks of seasoning and chunks of meat. Let's see what that tastes even good eating it raw before all the hot water's in there. Let's pour this water in there. Oh, yes, yes, and yes. That looks good. Get this out of the way. So, very quickly, starts to look amazing. Stir well and zip pouch close. Let stand for 10 minutes. And then open pouch, stir again, and enjoy. It doesn't help that it's cold. The colder it is, the harder it is for these meals to cook. That flavor is incredible. Wow, okay, let's seal this up, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then get back to it. Nothing like a candlelight dinner. I personally like to keep massaging the bag of food, kind of like you're stirring it while the bag is closed, so it keeps the heat in there, acts as a nice little hand warmer. Hot damn. Okay, no more candlelight. Ah, got my boot. Oh crap. Boot laces. I always carry extra boot laces as well. I always prepare for the worst, hope for the best, but when you're doing a food review, you forget your strike source to light your stove. Luckily, I have road flares. Looking at 6.35 ounces, which is not a lot. And you're getting a lot of caloric intake for that little amount of weight. Ooh, oh, that's warmth. All right, it's been a little over 10 minutes. Let's open this up, see what it looks like. Oh, 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 oh. Yes. Please, come here, spork. That looks amazing. I don't know about exactly like the front, but that is pretty damn close. All right, moment of truth. Wow. That is good. Imagine a hamburger helper / beef marinara pasta. This is phenomenal. Ooh. Even with it being cold and this slightly chilled down faster than it probably will on a normal trip, depending upon what elements you go into. Oh, this is good. It's not overly salty. Sorry, in these videos you have to watch me talk with my mouth open, but while I'm chewing food, there's nothing else I can do unless you want to watch me eat for 5 minutes and then talk at the end. I think I should have went with maybe a little bit more water. It might have kept it a little bit warmer. But even with it cooling down very fast when I bring it out of the container, oh my God. This is GY6 Outdoors approved, plate worthy. You could dump this on a plate. It would look delicious. It would taste delicious. You could probably serve this to company at your house and it would probably pass for a meal you made right there in your kitchen. That's better than a lot of pasta I've had made for me. Wow, that's good. You need to get one of these. Let me just do that. Damn good looking and delicious instant freeze-dried meal for the outdoors. Beef pasta marinara by Peak Refuel. 2 thumbs up by me. Oh my God. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to our supporters. Once again, GY6 Outdoors is completely fan funded. Click the links in the description to go there. Consider becoming a supporter financially each month for what we're doing. Keeps this crazy train running down the tracks, and I definitely appreciate it. Go take a peek at Peak Refuel pasta marinara with beef. Oh.